Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Jaja credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To get started, go ahead and open up your web browser and in the web address bar, type in jaja.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you'll end up in the official webpage of Jaja. To access your credit card service, all you need to do is to click on the login button at the top right hand corner for existing users. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the register link and follow the instructions to register yourself first. After clicking on the login button, you'll end up on the next page where you can easily enter your credentials and access your Jaja credit card. Select your country from the list and then type in your phone number. Once you type in a valid mobile number, enter your password on the next field associated with your account. If you don't remember your password, click on the reset password link and follow the instructions till the end in order to create a new password. After filling in your phone number and password, and if it is correct, you can quickly click on the continue button and therefore you should be able to log in and access your Jaja credit card. Jaja is a UK-based credit card provider regulated by Financial Conduct Authority. That is how you can easily log in and access your Jaja credit card. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.